Hello everyone, I'm Shinji from Chiang Mai Long Stay. Today, I'll show you how to take Anthropic Academy's free AI courses in Japanese.
Let me ask, are you familiar with an AI called Claude? Alongside ChatGPT, it's one of the most widely used AI assistants in the world today. The company behind Claude is an American company called Anthropic. And that Anthropic has made a course available, completely free, where you can learn how to use AI. It's called the Anthropic Academy. The Anthropic Academy is Anthropic's official learning platform, which officially launched in March 2026. The Anthropic Academy has 3 key features. There are currently 17 courses available. All courses are completely free. Upon completing a course, you receive a certificate of completion. It's a genuine, official certificate that you can add to your LinkedIn profile and other professional profiles. Now, let me walk you through the registration process. First, go to anthropic.skilljar.com. Open the page for the course you'd like to take. When you access the site, a list of courses will appear. This time, we'll select Claude Code 101 and click on it.
The course page opens. This is what it looks like in English. You'll see 2 buttons, Enroll in Course and Free.
Before registering, let's translate the page into Japanese first. If you're using Chrome, right-click anywhere on the page, and you'll see an option in the menu that says Translate to Japanese. Just click that, and the entire page will switch to Japanese.
The page is now translated into Japanese. You'll see a button that says Course ni toroku suru, Enroll in Course. Click that button. You'll see 2 tabs, Sign In and Sign Up. If you're registering for the first time, click Sign Up. A screen saying Welcome to Anthropic Education will appear. Enter your name, email address, and password, then click the Sign Up button. You only need an email address to register, no credit card required. A screen will appear saying, Please verify your email address to complete registration. Check the inbox of the email address you entered, as a message will have been sent to you. You'll receive an email from Anthropic Education. Click the blue link in the email to complete your registration. You're now ready to start your course. Now, here's the key point for today. All courses on the Anthropic Academy are in English, but don't worry. Here are 2 methods to follow along in Japanese. Method 1. If you're using Google Chrome, right-click on the course webpage. You'll see an option in the menu that says Translate to Japanese. One click and the entire page is translated into Japanese. Course descriptions and learning objectives will all be readable in Japanese, so start here. Method 2. Switch the YouTube video subtitles to Japanese. Click the gear icon, Settings button, in the top right corner of the video. English subtitles are currently showing. A settings menu will appear. Click on Subtitles. It will show English auto-generated. The subtitle menu opens. Below English auto-generated, you'll see Auto-Translate. Click that. A list of languages will appear. Select Japanese and click it. Japanese subtitles will now appear on the video. Even if English isn't your strong suit, you'll be able to follow the content clearly. Let me summarize what I covered today. Anthropic Academy is a free learning platform provided by Anthropic, the company behind Claude. 17 courses, all free. Certificates of completion included. Sign up with just an email address. For those who aren't confident in English, 1. Right-click the webpage, translate to Japanese. 2. Switch YouTube video subtitles.
auto-translate to Japanese. Using these two methods together, you can take the courses in Japanese. I'll put the URL in the description below. If you're interested in AI but don't know where to start, I highly recommend Anthropic Academy. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. This has been Shinji from Chiang Mai Longstay.